How to fix Windows could not complete the installation error during upgrade. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Free up disk space. Insufficient storage can halt the upgrade process, as Windows needs ample space to stage and install update files. In the list of files that can be cleaned up, select the largest portions of data, such as temporary internet files, Windows Update, temporary files, and others. Click OK to begin the cleanup process. Fix 2. Clear Windows Update cache. Corrupted update files in the cache can disrupt the installation, and clearing them forces Windows to download fresh files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, for boot loop scenarios, corrupted system files might be the issue, and startup repair can fix them to complete the installation.